Hi my babies, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys are enjoying it here, and I hope you guys watched my last vlog. So in today's title, as you can hear, I'll be vlogging about my stay at farm. So I don't know for how long are we gonna be here, so it's just gonna be bits and parts, so I'm gonna be putting stuff together and I'm gonna make it into a whole one thing. And yeah, and then it's gonna be almost a whole video, and then we're gonna be online stuff. And guys, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel, like this video, like all my videos, guys. And if you haven't watched any of my videos, please go back and go watch this stuff, please. I don't want you guys to miss out on anything, because your girl is gonna do her best, her utmost best, to bring the things that need to be brought to the table. Povi now. So yeah guys, let's do the stuff that need to be done.
You follow me, baby, come follow me. Baby, would you follow me, baby, come follow me. If you can follow me, I'll follow you wherever you go. Follow me, follow me, follow me, baby, just follow me, follow me, follow me.
Okay, hi my babies. So I am going to Shuna, hurry up and open the gate, bruh. So yeah, hi. So anyway, she has to go open up that gate. Wait, that one there, so that they can pass through. And look where she is. Hannah, get my ears, child. Okay, come on sweetheart, we need to go. You cannot stand there. Sweet, go, come on, go. Let's go. Let's get it. Let's go, let's go, let's go. That's right. No, that one you don't say Buteke. Did he just say Butek to the cow? Sweet, say that. Say why you say. Oh. Come close it.
Big boy.
Say sweet.
Big boy.
Sweet.
Big boy.
Pata. Close it. Let me see you close. I don't even know now this one. How do you? I think you just, yeah. Okay, my babies, I'll get back to y'all. Good morning, my babies. How are you guys doing? One of those many of of many days yet. Anyway, so right now I'm just gonna have some porridge. Yes, porridge with Omaruru, that's what I'm gonna have right now. So yep, and it's so delicious, period. All right my babies, I'll talk to you guys real soon again. Hi my babies, so this is all from the garden. As you can see, this is all from the garden. Yes. So hi my babies, once again. Y'all, it's in the afternoon and the sun is crazy. It's so crazy, it's so hot. We just ate lunch right now. So I'm just having a cup of Coca-Cola. Yes, so that's what I'm doing. Child, and you know what? It's cold. Anyway, guys, stay tuned, stay tuned, stay tuned. All right. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing amazing and everything is going okay with you. Like it's going okay with us goaties. But yeah, anyways, this is just beautiful. This is like therapy, guys. Like one will be so surprised how just standing and staring at these animals, you know, just warms your heart. Like, you know, it's always needed to just get out of the city once in a while or here and there, you know, just to come feel a different type of energy. Wait, let me turn the camera. To come feel a different type of energy and stuff like that, you know. It's really needed, you know, just to get out of town a bit, just to come clear your mind, you know, and you just don't always have to be in the city and it's just the cars, the whatnot, you know. It's really needed to just get away once in a while, you know. It's really therapeutic, you know. So yeah, my babies, I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. I'm really trying to get as much as I can. It's just most of the times we're just so busy, you know. And you know how like parents be like, you gotta work, get off your phone. You just can't be on your phone while you probably need to wash your dishes, all of that stuff. It just don't work like that. So the only time that I probably be picking up this phone to try to record something is when I'm not busy, you know. So yeah, what's that sound? Oh, okay. Yeah, so basically, but I'm gonna try to give y'all as much as I can. I will try to give y'all as much as I can, but in the meantime, please do go ahead, like, subscribe, and just do the most for your girl. Okay, babies. So the reason why these little babies are here is because we milk their mothers, so we need to separate them from their mothers so that they don't finish the mother's milk, so that we can milk their mothers. Yes, but don't worry, we do leave some milk for them, of course. So that's why these little babies are still here around. Yeah, that's why they're still here. Yes. Anyway, okay. So what are you guys doing? Hope you guys are doing okay. So today is another day, and as you can see, I don't know if you've noticed, my nails are no longer on. I had to pause all of this because we traveled to Omaruru for Christmas. So we are back now for, what is this? So we are back now for the New Year's, and then after that we travel back to these cities. As you can see, my nails are already off because I was just keeping them together so that I could, you know, travel with them to Omaruru and whatnot. And my lashes are about to say goodbye. As you can see, this one is literally doing the most. Anyway, so yeah, so we're back at farm. We're back at farm right now. Is we cooked lunch, so we're just waiting for 1 o'clock to hit, and then we plate the food and then we eat. So we just made goulash and rice for today. So yeah, today is the what? Today is the it's the 30th today. No, I'm lying. It's the 29th now. So today is the 29th. So yeah, just a few more days to New Year's. But yeah, stay tuned. I'm gonna bring y'all the footage that you need.
Sparkling water.
Shandombura iendarune ombitu ponde.
It's the 25th of December. I'm in Omaruru. Mokamapuku. This is where I'm from. Yes. So what I'm doing right now, I don't know if you guys can hear me, but hopefully y'all can hear me. Shiri. Otherwise it's just gonna be disappointments. So what I'm doing right now is that I'm walking to my brother's house. Nem. Oh yeah. To my brother's house, to his wife, who is my sister, you know. So tuka raspero salad. No, we're going to raspberry ne. Guys, anyways, we are going to raspberry. I hope I'm saying it correctly, but anyways, we are going to raspberry the carrots. So yeah, stay tuned guys. I will show y'all bits and parts. I'm not here for long in Omaruru, only 3 days, so I'm gonna try to give y'all some good footage. So yep.
Vama nuka shirembwa mubaine wakapita karuvunjwa karumendu munjwa kamayanda kamaramba.
Pork what you put pork belly. Pork belly. Polo, we have pork hoga. Papa have pork belly. I have a pork belly. No, it's not pork belly. Christmas hoodies. Tata. Aïe.
Hi my babies, how are you guys doing? Welcome back. Yes, I'm back again and yeah. Say hi brother to my vlog. Say hi Susie. Hi. This is my sister. My big brother's one of my big brother's wifey, so she's my sister. So right now what we're doing is we're traveling to go get her baby. Her baby is meaning a cow. It's the cow. It's the cow that we're going to get, and it's a baby to her. We're going to get her big baby cow. Yes, so I need to repeat nothing. We passed complaints already.
Tackling park.
We're in tackling park, guys. So that's what we're doing. And we're having fun. Bobby, yes. So hi my babies, how are you guys doing? I hope you guys are enjoying the vlog so far. So yeah guys, we came to get my big brother's wife's cow in the side of Coplands, you know. The trailers the trailers tire yapamuka nokushani. I'm going to check it right now. Mopeserato homunika shingia kanumba mako hauti yapamuka nokunde wa hama hauti kuja huzeta
Nunca you don't know Buddha no that no vegetarian. What do you vegetarian for to many? No, can I you?
Hi my baby, so we have arrived where we need to pick up the cow. So we are here, we are within now.
Follow me, follow me, follow me, would you just follow me? Andudu, chico jendudu, kapale con dududu. Kapale con dududu, kapale con dududu, kapale con dududu, dududu go con dududu. Vaya wana banga ganga, vaya wana gai no no no.
How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are doing okay and you guys have enjoyed this vlog up to here. And if you're still watching this, it's amazing. Thank you very much. I really appreciate that. Yes, if you are new here, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. This is the second time me doing a vlog. You know, everything is a learning process in life. We all learn. There's no one that just starts like boom and everything is all good. We learn, you know, so we are learning how to do the things that need to be done. So this is the second attempt. So as we go ahead, we will be getting better at the thing that needs to get better at. Anyway, so guys, thank you very much for watching. We have reached the end of this video. I really appreciate each and every one of y'all that have been sticking around. It really means a lot to me. And guys, please do not forget to follow me on Instagram at muyame underscore nabi. Let me just put it right there. Yes. Yeah, and as we speak currently I'm in Ventuk, so I really didn't get time to, you know, finish it up on the other side. I could only get time right now. So with that said and done, I love you guys. Thank you very much for watching.